Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will teach you and show you how you can easily manual catch for your page in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be simple in Wix, and when you're going to be here, just click here on page and manage pages, and here you get everything. And what you want to do is just click the three dots next to the bar snag or whatever site you got, whatever page you got. Click settings, and in page info you're going to see advanced settings. Click on it, and then manually control catching for this page and turn it on. Visitors may not see certain changes. How often do you want to reset this page catch? And you want to go like 4 hours or whatever, how many hours you want. That's like really up to you. And this is pretty much how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.